Critical industries require tough tools to keep the wheels of progress turning. That's why Snap-on is proud to reintroduce the heavy-duty tubular wrench. Constructed from USA-made steel, the Snap-on tubular wrench is manufactured for the most demanding industrial environments, providing modular convenience to large-scale bolting applications. The versatile design allows one wrench handle to be used with multiple interchangeable heads. A detent on the wrench handle helps to align the locking button with the hole to ensure that the two-piece wrench system is secure, limiting the risk of breakage and injury. The wrench heads can be used individually, and the tubular handles can be attached to apply maximum tightening or loosening force. Over 40 different sized interchangeable heads are available in both 12-point, offset box end, and continuous arch open-end configurations, whatever you need for your biggest, toughest job. If you need a strong modular wrench system in your arsenal of tools, contact your Snap-on account manager today.